Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're passionate about helping people with business and accounting. In today's video, I want to talk about how to grow your business. So if you're interested, keep on watching. There are several things to consider when trying to grow your business. Today, I want to focus on one. Today, I want to talk about marketing. So the first tip that I have for you guys is to build a website. There are so many sites out there that will help you build a website. Nowadays, you don't need to be a coder. You don't need to have all these advanced skills. Pretty much anyone can start off by building a website. I highly recommend that you do this, especially if you don't have a lot of money towards a marketing budget yet. Try to build your own website and utilize the free templates that are out there. Financial Design has their website through WordPress, but there are so many other sites that you can use. You can use Wix, Shopify, Squarespace, just to name a few. So what should be on your site? So you want to make sure that your site is relatively clean, that they can quickly find your contact information if they want to, and that your message comes across of what you do. And nowadays, I want you guys to keep in mind that most people are going to view your site off of their mobile phone. So make sure that your site is mobile friendly. So not only do you want to keep your site clean, but you also want to make sure that your prices are available. Most people don't want to submit a contact request to figure out how much a widget is going to cost. So make sure that your prices are easily accessible for your potential client. The next marketing tip I have for you guys is social media. Guys, most people are going to come across you first on any of your social media platforms. So whether it be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube, make sure that your handle for your social media is accessible and that they can link it back to your site. Now, social media is great for generating leads. You're more likely gonna get a request through social media than your actual website. So make sure that not only do you have one, but that you're active. People wanna follow people, so put yourself out there. Share what you're doing, share what project you're working on, or if you're making a product, share the process. People wanna be involved in the process, so make sure that you put yourself out there and that you share what's going on in your business. Social media also gives us the opportunity to provide value. So even if a person that comes across your social media isn't your potential customer right now, they could be down the future, or they could easily recommend you to someone else, to a friend, a family member. Like, you never know how these contacts are going to come together. So give value, help as many people as you can, and I promise you it will pay off. People will contact you because even though you're giving them free information, 9 times out of the 10, they can't do it themselves, or they don't have the time to do it themselves. So they are going to want to contact you for, let's say, services. Like if you're a consultant and you're consistently giving out free information, if you're a lawyer and you're consistently giving out free information, 9 times out of the 10, people they can't perform the services that they're inquiring about. So even though you're providing value and giving free information and tips, they will contact you for additional help. Now, with social media and your website, you want to make sure that you are consistent across all of your platforms. So if you have a logo, don't have 3 different logos for 3 different platforms. Make sure that your website logo matches your social media logo. And interact with your followers or the people that follow your pages. If they have a question, answer the question. Be interactive, respond to comments. If someone likes your Instagram story, give them a heart back. Like, let them know that you took the time to acknowledge that they liked something. And make sure that they can access you or they can contact you on all of your platforms. So I would recommend to have a dedicated business number that they could text you or contact you through, and have it across all of your platforms. Make it as easy as it can for your potential customer to contact you. So out of everything that I just shared, the most important thing is to bring value. Bring value to your customers, bring value to your potential customers, and have your marketing be a way to be able to do that. That will generate leads, that will generate interest. So be as active as you can on your social media, respond to comments, make sure your website is clutter-free, easy to follow, easy to understand. that they can at a high level see what you do and how much you charge, and I promise you that it will help you grow your business. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, share it with a friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.